With this video, we are going to take a look at sharing settings on the Salesforce platform. So the function of sharing settings as opposed to role hierarchy is that role hierarchy extends access vertically, so beneath you in the hierarchy of the organization. But what about for different business units that are on the same level of hierarchy? That's where sharing settings comes in, and it also allows us to extend information to guest users and based upon record owner as well as criteria. So if I come to the account and I come down here to the account sharing rules, I can see some account sharing sets and sharing rules that are already in motion here. So if I click on edit, I'm able to see this is being extended to a portal user who has the account name Ohana, and it's going to share it with that portal role. Now, for an additional sharing rule, we are able to bring this back internally and extend it to those positions in our role hierarchy. Now, we have a few different options here. We can create this rule. Here, we are going to share all accounts that are owned by business development directors with the VP of operations, but we can also segment it based on portal roles, based upon programs and level groups, based upon roles, and then give it access to all subordinates below that individual or that role, as well as territories. So here, we're going to share all accounts that the BD director owns with the VP of operations. They're going to have that read-only access, and then all opportunities and all cases associated with that account are going to be private. Now we can do something similar based upon criteria. So we can take if the account name, or if let's just say the industry, if we come down to that, if industry equals banking, we can set up a similar sharing rule with that and then share that with the VP of operations. So it's not based upon record ownership at that point. It's only based upon criteria and then guest user access. So if you've got a public facing knowledge base, or you've got a public experience cloud site, you can extend this capability in much the same way with that criteria set up. So this is a great way to extend information using sharing rules, and you can set this up on a variety of different objects within Salesforce.